Hello there everyone! Welcome again to my channel. This is Tenoso from Davao City, Philippines. And today, in this video, I'm gonna show you on how to achieve a fashion silver gray hair color for men. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I wash the hair with shampoo, then dry the hair thoroughly. Then I prepare 1 part of the bleaching powder and 2 parts of hydrogen peroxide. The hydrogen peroxide is 12% and 40 volumes. Mix hair brightener with hydrogen solution, then apply evenly on the hair. Leave for 45 minutes, then rinse well. Check whether it achieves the desired color every 10 minutes. Remember, leave for 45 minutes, then rinse. Rinse properly. This is the result of the first bleach. Now for our second bleach, leave again for 30 minutes, then rinse. This is the result of our second bleach. It is more brighter. Then I prepare silver gray color and 6% hydrogen peroxide. Equal amount of color and peroxide. Then I apply to the hair evenly and leave for 40 minutes, then rinse. This is now the result of silver gray hair color. Achieved, right? Wow! Our model now is happy with his new hair.